Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a walkthrough video on this brand new, beautiful 2024 Aviara AV36. You'll notice we have this one colored in the black with the light gray accenting and hull bottom. Starting up with features in the front, you'll notice it's got the windlass anchor, stainless steel rub rail throughout. You have your docking light built right into your rub rail in the bow and the stern. You got black pop-up cleats throughout. Black dot up there, that's your fender clip system. Easy in and out with your fenders. The cutout there is your water fill for all your freshwater systems on the boat. Moving back, you'll notice that it comes with the standard hardtop, super sleek, keeps you out of the elements in style. And then moving on back even further, you'll notice we have another cutout here for our fuel fill. You got fuel fill on either side, so no matter what docking situation you're in, you got a spot to do it conveniently. And then moving on to the transom here. Notice underwater gear. We have our underwater lights. You got trim tabs on either side. The outdrives for your 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower twin Ilmar inboards. You also have this power swim step, which is super convenient, up and down, push of a button. Great spot to hang out at the sandbar or if you're anchored out in the bay. We'll hop up on the inside and I'll show you the features on the inside. All right, hopping into the inside of the boat here. We're back on the swim platform. You'll notice it's super spacious with a great spot to lounge here on the back. You have storage underneath all of the seats here. They all drain out, water drains out the bottom. You also have your battery switches in here, conveniently located. Something that's cool and specific to Aviara, it's got a stadium style seating here as well. So all these seat bases will kick up, the seat backs, and then you have a space for other people to walk in and sit on these bar stools that pop up. One cool thing about these too, you can pop it up a little bit, give yourself a higher backrest for a seat back here too. Super cool spot on the boat. You don't see it on any other brand. Moving on to the inside here, you'll notice you have massive storage for all your fenders. Conveniently located as well. You also notice here, I kind of missed a couple things on the back. You got your buttons for your swim platform, the automatic swim platform on the back, powered. All right, moving into the cockpit here, you'll notice we have this massive wet bar. Comes with built-in storage and garbage slots. All these flip up, the counter spaces flip up. You got your sink here, fresh water. You got your electric grill and some extra storage here for miscellaneous cooking items. This one also comes with the built-in electric fridge. You got extra storage in here. It's a massive compartment. You also have a built-in cooler here as well on the slide. Tons of storage underneath all the seats here in the back. This table, teak table, super nice, super elegant. Flips over to give yourself an extra little bit of space back here when you're moving around, have people aboard. This one comes with heater hoses as well. Extend your season a little bit. All right, hopping into the helm station here, you'll notice that it's got a massive double wide captain's chair. Both of them are on bolsters. And then moving over to your dash, you'll notice we got 3 screens set up. Your vertical screen over on the left, that's going to control all your miscellaneous settings for the boat, including your lighting settings, your stereo system, your water management for all the fresh water and raw water systems on this boat. Moving over to your 12-inch SIMRAD, we have it on our gauge cluster. You can switch that into mapping. You can do a split screen. There's a bunch of different things you can customize on that, depending on how you want to see your information. And then over here, we have our Ilmar screen, engine management screen. That'll show you some diagnostics for the engines as well. You'll notice here we have our dual throttle setup. You can sync this into one throttle. Super convenient, very smooth controls. You have your joystick over here. This makes it like a video game for docking. It's really bulletproof, awesome to use, especially for people that aren't used to a boat of this size. This just makes it that much easier to feel comfortable docking in any situation. You got a nice phone slot up here, and then you have your automatic running tabs buttons up there. Dynamic running surface. You also have a heater over here. You have your chilled cup holder. Some nice storage here for your phone or miscellaneous items with chargers inside, USB and USB-C. We'll transition on up to the bow and I'll show you some features up there. All right, hopping on up into the bow here, you'll notice that how deep and spacious the seating is. Really high seat backs, feels really secure. You got tons of cup holders throughout on either side. You got clip stereo speakers up here and throughout, of course. You got your chargers for phone, USB and USB-C on either side. You also have another stereo remote here located conveniently in the bow as well. Underneath all these seats here, you have plenty of storage, super deep, easy access. And then we talked about the windlass on the outside, but here is your windlass station in the front. You got your remotes and all your controls, easy access and very convenient. All right, last but definitely not least here, I want to show you this massive cabin we have in this 36-foot boat. It sleeps too comfortably. It comes with a table. You can pop that cushion out and make it a little more spacious for lounging. You'll notice it's got the Samsung TV inside with the Klipsch sound bar. Awesome for entertaining. We also put the microwave in this one, so it's a great weekender. And then moving into the head unit. Very luxurious. You got the nice mirror. With the lighting behind the mirror, that backlighting looks really good. Toilet vacuum flush with the Mercerator. Great spot to clean up. All right, guys, wrapping up this video under our retractable sunshade here aft. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We hope to see you at the store. Give us a call or stop in person. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.